Hello, Simai. Welcome to Welsh with Will. Those of you who follow this channel will know that I have been trying to learn Welsh for, well, forever. At present, I'm trying the Duolingo phone app. And no, this isn't a paid promotion, I just like the app, which comes in two flavours, a paid version and a free version, and I'm using the free version. I thought I'd take you one session at a time through all the practice sessions from the very beginning up to my present level, and explaining my thought processes as I do so. Now, I won't by any means always get it right, but when I do go wrong, at least you'll know how I got there. Let's do it. Hello, welcome back to the Duolingo practice sessions, and the language of course is Cymraeg. And today we're on number 6, which is adverbs. 3. What's an adverb? I have no idea, to be honest. Could always Google it. So, how do you say even? Well, it's nothing to do with diod, which is drink. It's nothing to do with lingopiai, which is photocopy, so I'm going to go with hyd yn oed.
Hyd yn oed.
So far, so good. Tap the matching pairs. Beer, which I know is cwrw.
Cwrw.
Already, not entirely sure. Let's go for the ones I know. Wales, which is Cymru.
Cymru.
Speaking, which is siarad.
Siarad.
That's all is o gwbl.
O gwbl.
So already must be eisoes.
Eisoes.
How do you say since then? Well, I think it's ers hynny.
Ers hynny.
Should we try it? So far, so good.
Mae hefyn wedi cadw draw ers hynny.
My hefyn, so this is a statement about hefyn. Wedi, so this is something he has done, past tense. Wedi cadw draw ers hynny. Kept. Cadw is kept. Draw is away, I believe. So hefyn has kept away. Hefyn has kept away ers hynny, which is hynny is, I think it's since then. So I think the statement, my hefyn wedi cadw draws ers hynny, is hefyn has kept away since then. Let's try it. Good. How do you say already? Well, as we've seen, it's eisoes.
Eisoes. Mae Megan wedi chwarae sboncen yn ddiweddar.
Mae Megan wedi chwarae sboncen yn ddiweddar. Well, this is a statement about Megan. Megan. Wedi, she's done something again. Chwarae, has played. So, Megan has played sboncen, which is squash. Yn ddiweddar. Well, I'm guessing that's going to be recently. So I think the statement means Megan has played squash recently. So far, so good again. She likes a little bit of milk. So this is a statement about she. So he in Welsh is she. So my he she's doing something. And what is she doing? She's liking. So we need hoffi.
Hoffi.
My hi'n hoffi. She likes a little bit, which is tipyn.
Tipyn.
Bach.
Bach.
Bach is small. So she likes a little bit of milk or laeth.
Laeth.
So I think the whole statement is my hi'n hoffi tipyn bach o laeth. Let's try it. Good.
Mae Owen wedi cael panas yn ddiweddar.
Mae Owen wedi cael panas yn ddiweddar. Well, this is a statement about Owen, obviously. Owen wedi, he's done something again. Wedi cael panas. Has had. Cael is to have. Wedi had. Wedi had. Has had. So has had panas, which is parsnips. Yn ddiweddar, which as we saw is recently. So I'm going to go with Owen has had parsnips recently. The amount of parsnips isn't mentioned, so I'm guessing it might even be some parsnips recently. Owen has had some parsnips recently. Let's try that. Good. I will be working there temporarily. I will. So that's bydda.
Bydda.
And talking about me, I.
Un.
Bydda I yn. So that means I'm going to be doing something which is working. Gweithio.
Gweithio.
Bydda i'n gweithio. I will be working there. Yno.
Yno.
Temporarily. Now, the idiom for that I think is dros dro.
Dros dro.
So I will be working there temporarily. I'm guessing will be bydda i'n gweithio yno dros dro. Let's try that. Okay.
Fesul un.
Fesul un. Now, this is an unusual one. Well, un is one. So I'm going to go with one by one. One by one. Let's try that. Good. Dylan is working as a temporary nurse. So it's a statement about Dylan. So my Dylan is working. Gweithio is to work. So yn gweithio is
Gweithio.
him doing that. Mae Dylan yn gweithio as, fel, a temporary nurse. So, nurse. Dros dro.
Dro.
A nurse temporary. So, mae Dylan yn gweithio fel nurse dros dro. I'll try that. Good.
Ydy hi eisoes wedi gadael?
Once again.
Ydy hi eisoes wedi gadael?
I think he said, ydy hi eisoes wedi gadael. Ydy hi. So it's a statement about she, he. Eisoes wedi gadael. Wedi gadael is has left. Ydy hi eisoes wedi gadael? And I can't remember what eisoes means. Unless it means she has already left. Could it mean that? Let's try. Has she left already? There we go. She does not even have a job. Right. So statement about she, so it'll be he again. But it's a negative one, so it'll be does he. Does he ddim swydd? She does not have a job. Does he ddim swydd? Even. Was that hyd yn oed?
Oed.
I think it might be, but I'm not 100% certain. Let's have a look. No. Does gynni hi. Does gynni hi ddim swydd. I missed out the gynni to say that she had it. So the correct statement is does gynni hi ddim swydd hyd yn oed.
Hyd yn hyn.
Hyd yn hyn.
Hyn.
Which I believe is now and then. No, nothing like it so far.
Tipyn bach o afal.
Tipyn bach o space afal, which tipyn bach is a little bit of afal. A little bit of apple, I believe. A little bit of apple.
Yn syth ar ôl glanhau'r tŷ ces I baned.
Yn syth.
Yn syth ar ôl glanhau'r tŷ ces I baned.
Ar ôl glanhau'r tŷ.
Yn syth ar ôl glanhau'r tŷ ces I baned.
Ces I baned.
Baned.
Yn syth, which is straight. Ar ôl, straight after. Glanhau'r tŷ. Tidying the house. Or cleaning the house. Ces I baned. Had I a cup of tea? So I think the statement is saying straight after cleaning the house, I had a cup of tea. Let's have a look. Yeah.
Yn ddiweddar.
Yn ddiweddar. Yn ddiweddar. So I think that was recently, wasn't it? Yes.
Mae'r swydd yn dda hyd yn hyn.
Right, so mae swydd yn dda hyd yn hyn, I think is what he said.
Mae'r swydd yn dda hyd yn hyn.
So, statement about the office, or the job, I should say. The job is good. So far, let's have a try. The job is good so far. There we go.
Gwnes I adael yn syth ar ôl brecwast.
So, gwnes I adael.
Gwnes I adael yn syth ar ôl brecwast.
Yn syth ar ôl brecwast.
Gwnes I adael yn syth ar ôl brecwast.
So, gwnes I adael. I think it's literally did I leave. I did leave. Yn syth straight ar ôl after brecwast. So I think it is I left straight after breakfast. Let's find out. Yes, there we go.
Daeth y siadron allan fesul un.
Didn't quite get that.
Daeth y siadron allan fesul un.
Daeth y lladron.
Daeth y siadron allan fesul un.
No, I'm going to have to slow that one down.
Daeth y siadron allan fesul un.
Allan fesul un. So, daeth y lladron allan fesul un. Daeth is came, I believe. Y lladron, the thieves, allan, out. So the thieves came out. Fesul un, one by one. So I'm going to go with the thieves came out one by one. There we go. She does not even have a job, the one that tripped me up earlier. So, it's about her. So that will be a he. And it's a negative statement. So, does he. Does he. But I missed the gunny out last time, which is a possession thing. Does gunny he, them. She does not have swydd. She does not have a job, even. Hyd and oed.
Oed.
She does not have a job, even. She does not even have a job. Let's have a look. Yes. And there we go. That's the end of the lesson. So thanks for joining me for this practice session. Please comment, like and share if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next session. Hwyl fawr I chi.